Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you a basic color grading tutorial on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and then from here, the first thing that you would need to do to color grade is to go into the color workspace. So to do that, you need to click here on this button, and then from here, you will want to find color. So you want to click on that, and then you would be popped up into this workspace. And from here, you want to select your clip that you would like to color grade. In my case, it would be this clip. So from here, we'll be adjusting the basic correction right here. So the first thing that we'll adjust is the exposure. So this would control how bright or dark your footage is. So you want to make sure that it is correct. It's not too bright, it's not too dark. I think this is pretty much correct right here with the default value. And for the contrast right here, so I think I would need to bump it up because I think my frame is a little bit too flat right there, so I just bump it up a little. And for the highlights, so that you can control the brightest part of your video, so I think I'm just gonna bump it up a little right there. And for the shadows, I would like it to decrease it to make the dark areas more darker right here and more contrast to the highlights, just like that. And then for the whites also, so you can control the whites right here or the bright areas right there. And I think I'm just gonna decrease it a tad bit since I like my footage to be a little bit darker right there. And as you can see, the blacks are really prominent right here, and I like how blacks look right here. And for the blacks right here, I don't think that I have to move this too much because I think it already looks good. So the more I decrease the black right here, the darker the dark or black areas get right there. So be careful because you might lose some detail. And then yeah, just like that, I have now successfully color graded my my video right here. And of course, you must not forget the temperature right here. So I think this day is rainy, so I'm gonna go for a bluer side. So I'm gonna go and scale it down on the bluer side to have that really cold feeling that you would give to your audience right here. So I think that would look better. So now let's compare it. So let me just go and put it right here. So this is the side with no color grading, and this is where I work with a bit of color grading right here and see which one would look better for you. I think this one would look better for me right here. So this is basically how I color grade. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.